Ebusia for me mo obibia akwaba edeba attention TV so attention TV they say we inspire you more filler so ana edru midin ene akosia sparkles meden sem a ekoso ewoye mamo ha say yebeka say social media trends ana mede beso mo ewo filler so esanso ewo attention TV nani na emu no mede ka useme pa ocho papa sa won subscribe ya na wa subscribe wo share wa share ama obi so ensa aka video yi bi na wa adwuntwe anase bisebia we ja comment section ho e de amami mi twa me ho me ba sisi a ebusia for me mo bibia akwaba sa onya bre edu twemi mama twa me ho e de baye e nsem no mu nkyeremu ana ebrem ebusia ye na ye wo ye mai mu ha sei ana 2022 budget ebeto dwa cessation of toll booth ebe mu ne toll booth fi ho dia and dey say ye di kobo ba man so ne brof mu no ya to ne levy na we am I member of parliament for koye ayite powers and bukombanku ewo parliament e ne Ghana for chire won adwo papa ebi mu kra se anka ye ntwa ticket mo na ye form nko abonto mutimi kokko boxing my kra Ghana for ye nya din amama ye wini and the omo chire se member wo fie na we ana obi kra be ka se wukunu wom na ode ne sa hye ne dem refem na wanku bia be hu se be ma nya be ma na so omututu blows ye be hu say yes Ghana hanu mu say ne say tourist for bi e ba ye mamu ha say benya nkrofo omo makọ papa ye e de amaye na Alben Bagbin or yes speaker for parliament e de same bi abetutu dwa e de ama MPP national new patriotic party no ye majority in parliament no or the same bi atoto mo e be fa 2024 election ye beto and when busan for yenkotie nsema Alben Bagbin the ma MPP.
And so we should move away from this slavish, unbridled attachment to party interests, not national interest, not the interest of the people. Because some people who don't have the experience that you have, as you go around trying to convince Ghanaians to vote for your party and you, others with big packets are facilitating your parties. And when you win power, they get the positions, not you. So they don't have that culture. They don't have that understanding. And there's that missing link. And they come to impose their ideas on you to vote the way, to rather take party interest first, not Ghana first. And we always vote ourselves out of power, which my colleagues in MPP are doing now. So don't be surprised in the next elections if you don't win. Somebody will say, Maka, pass now. Yes, so please, yes, it's very clear. If this your e-levy goes through, you have lost the election.
I was informed did say one kasa okoshe video no we hu ensama Alben Bagbin member speaker of parliament the amane MPP4 due ye call ye 2024 election emo na metwa soa o dibiba oyebi ai le bi mada ana otimi ye bi sida ana ye gusa ye na ha ene hwanya kantanka aye enche ye bia no lanche nyoma yi bia oyi bi na we ana wire sound system first na TV a bo nsem pena na adu o san so bo nsem na so na bo TV ni di mi per station we no de akoto ha ma na we de anya TV o sound system ye operated by sensor utimi de wonsa ana ma ni volume o san so timi de wonsa lower volume na busia for de obeka semeboa yankasa yankɔhwɛ video yi embra sisi ani ehu sena solar system no sound system no omudi operate efa
How would the volume communication. Another communication. Security, monitors. So what's one there? I'm going to make a just one of them. I know because I've never seen. I never know
Mza for me jidi se wankasa unhu ye ne nya ntro bi na me twa no kre papa ana me kan attention TV de ye mfa nia enimu emfa mbesom ne tiefo ana senadofo na me de sorry so a ye nko music industry ni mo e entertainer ba ko a wo Ghana hanu mu se na enimu se he is the king of rap. I rapaholic, the man who owns rapaholic. Or the same be abet to just say, I come here, say, Ghana, my muhaseno. Oh, yeah, dear, now we're young crofwa, and come once a mile, it is a one trend. And then there's a open so trendy, dear. Na, and it, dear, hey, you was so, yeah, dear, my Ghana for a come was some. Now, wait, I know what you say, yes, say, or no, only time, say, Ghana for, and ask your no, or yeah, dear. Na Ghana for kan wasema oba betina TV so na obefa ni phone na ene de ai obetina no so aka the side of the part of the story there be no that time no oni yenko na yenko tie Sarkodie the king of rapaholic yenko tie nsem no de tuja.
If you think about the idea that is social media, dealing with it actually makes you not make sense. You're dealing with even a table with 10 people, you find some 2 people who don't naturally want to make sense. And now you have to deal with the world. So, and I have one line that I say that, you know, social media doesn't ask the person's mental state before they sign up. You know, so anybody can just pick up a phone and sign up. So you have all sorts of human beings on social media. So I'm not going to waste my energy on social media trying to explain something. It's not going to work. You know, I put out.
Totally agree.
Yes, I put out whatever I think. Those who take it will take it. Those who don't take it will take it. And I think over the 10 years, when I step out, I see love. So I don't care about what someone is saying on social media. If it's not true, I don't really care, and it doesn't really frustrate me at all.
Well, for me, you say wankasa otenya sema yeni na ya Sarkodie rapaholic ekanye I ono oni say adaja na oni sa ahoden na ono no obe defend no ho ana nyoma social media so da bla oni de sa nyoma no kra de ya ye ni fum ti say ya oni na emu na ni say ni ho asemba na Ghana fo mbeka mo hu ni say Sarkodie ha ne ho ha ne ho kra embe chire nzemu emfantre Ghana for nebusia for me de so so na so ansa na me so na me ka wo say University Foundation a foundation na oboa eja ka wana woni bi ene mobrawa media de srade ana to wonim na ne de sa wo pe foundation bi aboa dia ehwe ba bia hwe University Foundation na wo pe wonta de designer wear sint enwia eye papa enwia owosu tina woso ene nya na woso ene ejinejina so mpaboa ne ewodin ya bibia wodin bia no odefo ani kopie mu ewo ablekuma agape tarazo eho ana obenya na Tees Boutique and Cosmetics na obenya bibia fefefe midi ane akosia sparkles ma monihwa moniti